Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to solve one coding problem, that is remove duplicates from sorted array. So one point to note over here, that array is sorted. All right, now let's see some more conditions given to this question. One is we cannot create extra array. Otherwise, if you are allowed to create extra array, then this is pretty easy to solve, right? And second is you have to modify the input array. So the combination of these two conditions is will make this question little bit interesting. Now over here we have one input array given here, and output has been given as 4, which is quite obvious, like 0, 1, 2 and 3. These 4 elements are unique in this input array. This is the order how it has been changed to this like input string. Let's try to understand this question using this example. So we have these two pointers. One is blue pointer, which will just iterate through the list till end up this list, and second we have this yellow like not yellow, sorry, this green pointer, which makes sure like element on its left are all unique value. So right now over here you can see 1 and 2 both are unique, right? And just one thing to note here is, if I'll ask you like right now how many non-duplicate value we have, so that is simply the index value of this green pointer, which is what, 2. So we have 1 and 2 as two unique value. So that you can see in the code we have the same thing. Now over here this blue pointer we have, what we'll do is like we are going to compare this value, which is the current value, along with its previous value, and then there will be only two conditions over here. Either both of them will be same, or it will be different, right? So if both of them are same, then you don't have to do anything. Simply like increase the pointer of this blue pointer to the next element, like this. It will point to the next element and nothing else. Now what is the current value? This is 4 and previous value 2. So in this case both of them are different. So when they are different, then you have to do like two things. One, you have to replace the current value, which like green pointer is pointing, with the current value pointed by this blue. So it's a 4. So over here it will be like 4, and then we have to increase the green pointer to the next element, like this. Let's erase this pointer, and right now you can see we have element which are in the left of this green pointer are unique. And finally the index of this green pointer, which is 3, will be our answer, right? Now let's see the code over here. The same thing has been implemented here. A length I took just to iterate over the array, and then that this is the blue pointer. It's just like the iterating over the list, and this one unique value pointer is the green pointer. And if you see, when we are changing this value, only when this two value, the current value pointed by blue pointer and its previous value, both are not same, both of them are not equal, in that case only we are going to increase this green pointer. Along with that, I kept just one extra condition over here, but even if you want to keep it, that is fine. Even if you can want to remove this, it will still work. So this is what, like, simply just assume like you are over here at this element, and blue pointer is also pointing to the same element, and you check like this is the current value, this is the previous value, both are different, then I have to delete this value, which is 2, and again the current value is what, that is also 2, right? So again I'm going to write 2 over here. So I'm just trying to avoid this, like this kind of things, because this is not making any change. So that is the reason I have given one extra condition over here. But if you want, you can remove it. It's not going to make any significant difference. Over here, I have the input array, this one, which I'm going to test this code. And let's see, let's try to run this and check the output. So let's see. So it say like we have 3 non-duplicate values, and the value of non-duplicates are 1, 2, and 4. These 3. So that is correct. It's a 1, 2, and 4 are 3 different and like unique values over here. I hope you got the point, and thank you for watching.